Hey friends, welcome to another video. Today I'm just going to be installing the ceiling fan real quick and show you guys that it's not too difficult. Nothing's intimidating about a ceiling fan. They're super easy to install. So let's get going. This particular ceiling fan is just going to be installed here with 2 screws. That's going to hold our main plate, mounting plate to the ceiling. And that's going to be right here. So I want to feed all my wires right through there. Main thing, make sure you have your power off. Feed my wires through. And then we're just going to find the hole for that. Hopefully right about there. And attach that on there. Don't screw it in all the way. You want to give yourself some room to get your other screw in. So about 50%. So you can find your other hole right there. Screw that one in. Okay, and then screw this one in. That's all you got to do. Make sure it's kind of snug on there. All right. Now for this fan, it has a couple of, it's got 2 open screw port things that you just put on there. They hang on there, and then you got 2 that go in. So I'm going to leave 2 that are loose. 2 screws that are loosened. And now we can just go get our fan and hang it right up there. Okay, this particular fan has this little hook right here, which is kind of handy for helping install. So when I put this up here, I just hook it on that hook. Try to. This isn't in the way. Okay. I hook it up there on that hook, just like that. And that's going to keep my fan from falling down. And I can hook up my wires and stuff. So, actually, I'm going to use something that I did. Slightly modified this little hooking thing, mechanism. Actually, no, we're just going to hook it on the hook. So which way do I want it? Like this? This one's kind of in the way a little bit, so I'm just going to hook it up like this direction here. I think my wires are right in the way right there. Okay, get the wires out of the way. And there we go. Hook it on like that direction. And now all I gotta do is attach my wires. Super easy. Green is gonna go, green's gonna go right here with the bare ground wire. Super easy to do. And we just hook that up. Okay, now we got white. Goes with white, obviously. Just like this. Wrap that around a little bit and make sure it's good and snug. And we attach the white wire now. Okay. Finally, we have the black wire. And it's all color coded, so it's super easy. Nothing's difficult about this, my friends. Maybe if you were on a high place to do this, Might be kind of difficult, but as long as you're steady on your ladder and everything. I like to just turn on my fan, make sure that it is lights working. Okay. And then we make sure our power is off again. And this last step is we just basically take this off the hook, and then we're going to lift this up so the outer side. We got these outer hooks right here. This goes up over the outer hooks, slides up, and then we turn it to the left. That's going to anchor that in place. And then we just simply get in these screws from the outside here. Let's see. This is probably the hardest part of the install, is getting these screws on there. Shouldn't be too tough though, I don't think. There we are. Okay. Our screw fell. That's all right. And before you screw this one in all the way, you want to go ahead, make sure you can get your other screw in. And there it is. Super easy is the install of fans. Tilt this up a little bit. Just like that. Super quick and easy install. Excuse me. Not difficult to do. Just kind of tighten that up a little bit now. Go to the other side, and we can tighten this one up. And we're just tightening up all our screws now so it doesn't come off of there. But we are all done, my friends. Just one more screw over here, and then the one on the other side. And that's all you have to do. If you already have your fan assembled, it's not that difficult. If it's not assembled yet, it's real easy to just put it on here. Get the wings on is like the most difficult part, and you are good to go. But there we are. We have our fan all assembled and ready to go. Thanks for watching this video, my friends. Have a great day. I'll see you next time.